Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please, if you are new to my channel, subscribe, like, share and comment. Please give this my video a thumbs up so that YouTube will recognize it to other people. And for my returning subscribers, I thank you all. So in today's recipe, we are making roasted peanuts, granules, buttered one. So firstly, you have to get a clean pot, pour in salt, salt, cooking salt, pour it inside the pot in normal quantity and pour in your peanuts or granules and start to stir. You give it a stir. As you're stirring, don't leave it for some minutes or hours and go away, because some will done while some parts will not get done, or some will be burning or something like that. So you have to be there and be stirring it, stir it consistently so that everything will get done at the same time or roasted at the same time. So as you can see me stirring it, as you stir, you shake it, just stir it for like 30 minutes to 45 minutes. And everything will be okay. It will be ready. It will be good to go. Yes, with this salt, and I assured you, it doesn't stay too longer. So as you stir it, still shake it. So why I say you have to be there for this consistently stirring it is so that you not leave it and go away and some parts will turn into black while some will be done while the other side will not be roasted. So that's why I have to be there and be stirring it consistently. In case you have any other thing to do, don't start this process. So make sure that you are fully available for the stirring of it, so that you get an accurate result. So you stir it. As you're stirring it, you'll be using your hand and be shaking it. You also try to eat it as well. When it's done, you will know. So that is me stirring it. If I stir, I'll still leave it for some seconds. So now I think the consistency is okay. I've checked it, I've peeled it, I've ate it. I know that is done, like the way the one that I used to buy outside or used to buy from the market or supermarket, the way it used to taste. So when you feel that taste, you know that is ready. So you now pour it inside a sieve and sieve out the salt. Salt is in powdered form. So you allow it to cool down, pour it inside your tray and use your hand to peel off the back. So simple, so easy. Within 30 minutes, you are done. This process, for those of us that used to buy bottle groundnut or bottle peanut from the supermarket, you know how much it costs. But with 700 naira, you can get 2 bottles at home. Just it's something that you can do at home, and the hygiene is clean because you are the one that processed it. So that is what I can assure you. The hygiene, the cleanliness, because you are the one, the sole owner of the production. So, and you can as well use it to start up a side hustle or small business that can be fetching you some little money, and you'll be supplying that to other people. So look at me here. The already peeled one I've put inside the plate, and some that I straight down. I've not fully peeled all of them. So look at it, it's not fresh. And the funnest part of it is that this salt method, it doesn't break the peanuts. Everything will still come out whole. So that is all about it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.